So in this video, I am gonna show you how to make a zip file on your laptop using Windows. Creating zip file is a great way to compress and organize multiple files or folder into a single, smaller file, which saves disk space and makes sharing easier. So let's start the video. First, choose the files or folder you want to compress into a zip file. For example, I have selected two files and a folder on my desktop. Right-click on the selected items and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Send to option. Another menu will appear. Choose Compress Zipped folder from this list. Windows will then create a new zip file in the same location as the original files or folders. You can rename the zip file by entering your desired file name. Now, if I check the size of the original files by right-clicking and selecting properties, it is 9.61 megabyte. The new zip file, on the other hand, is 8.75 megabyte, which is significantly smaller. So that's how to create a zip file on your laptop using Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.